Have you ever dreamed of having control of your business stock, reducing your working hours? Do you want to have control of your incomes and outcomes, and seeing the results in charts for better analysis? Also, checking the better timing for contacting your providers to supply before running out of stock? All that can be done easily with Stock Control. You can upload your inventory via Excel easily, extract inventory and sales with only one click, comparing your sales to see which items have more demand or more revenue. Find your item via barcode or text rapidly. And even better, you have a point of sale. Just create a list of your items. Automatically, you will see the receipt with the total. Do you have multiple businesses? No problem. You can have control of multiple stocks in only one app. You can use the app in online mode to upload all the database and work with multiple users and devices on real time. Or use it offline. Only you will use the database, which is stored on your device. Are you having technical difficulties? We can help you out with our 24/7 support team. Having control of your business has never been easier with Stock Control.